Students, welcome back to the class 9. So in the last class we have started with the algebraic identities. In the algebraic identities we are learned some of the problems, that is, and some of the identities we have learned. And you see in x plus y whole square is equals to have x square plus 2xy plus of y square. This is the first identity. Second identity, we have x minus y square is equals to x minus y whole square is equals to have x square minus of 2xy plus y square. Next we have third identity, that is x square minus y square is equals to have x plus y into x minus y. And fourth identity, we have x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus of a plus b of x plus of ab. So these four identity you are learned, and also you have learned these some more two identities, and one more identity I am going to do, that is, we know, that is seventh identity, that is x minus y whole cube. We have x minus y whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x plus y, that is x minus y. So this is your seventh identity, that is x minus y whole cube is equals to, you have x cube minus y cube minus 3xy minus of x, that is x minus y. So this is the what we have. So this is the seventh identity. You can write this as x cube minus y cube minus of 3x square y, and also you can write as plus of, that is minus into plus is minus plus of 3xy square. So you can write this formula also, that is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus of 3, that is what we can write, plus of 3xy square. Okay, so this identity also you can write. Based on this, we'll solve one of the problem, that is phi up minus of 3q whole cube. So phi up minus 3q whole cube. So this I am going to solve this example, and I can factorize using this formula. So x cube means, again we have, so phi up is your, what we have, it is x, and 3q is equals to, we have y. Just we have to put in this formula. So this I can write this as phi up whole cube minus of, that is minus, what we can write, minus 3q whole cube minus of 3x square, means phi up whole square, y we have, that is minus of 3q. Okay, so y we have minus 3q plus 3 of x is phi up, and q we have, that is minus 3q whole square, means y is equals to, we have minus 3q and x is equals to, we have phi up. Just I substitute in this formula, means x cube means phi up whole cube minus, because it is minus of 3q whole cube minus of 3 into phi up whole square into minus 3q, because it is y, plus 3 into x is phi up minus 3q whole square. Okay, dear students, so this is the expanded form of x minus y according to the x minus y whole cube. Okay, dear students, now just this is minus 3, just this is 3q only, so this is plus 3q only, just remove this 3q. Just using this formula we are solving. Okay, so dear students, so see here, phi cube means phi into 5 5s are 25 5s are 125 p cube minus of 3 cube means 3 into 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 cube. Similarly, minus into plus is minus 5 3s are 15 3s are, so see here, phi up whole square, so 3, so this is 3 as it is, so 5 square is 25 p square into 3 cube, this you need to find. So 25 into 3 you have, so that is 75. Okay, so this 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, this is 75. Again 75 into 3 I have to do. So 25 into 3 is 75 into 3, 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21, 22. So this is 225 225 means you can write this as 225. So this you can write this as 225 p square cube. How it is 225? First you need to find 5 square. 5 square is 25. Okay, so 25 into 3 is 75. 75 into 3 is 225. Similarly, plus, that is, this is minus, plus, so this is 3 square. 3 square is 9. Okay, and this is into 5 and this is into 3. So 9 5s are 45. 45 into how much it is? 3. It is 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. 12 means it is 13. So it is 135. Okay, so is it? If you multiply this, it is 135 you're getting. So this is 135 PQ square. So this is 135 PQ square. So this answer, if you expand, that is 5p minus 3q whole cube, you are getting this as 125 p cube minus 27 q cube minus of 225 p square into q plus 135 p into q square. Okay dear students, so please note down this concept and this example and we'll see some of the more problems. Hello dear students, now evaluate, that is evaluate 104 whole cube. Means you know already the formula, that is x plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube, we have the formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy of x plus y. Okay, so using sixth identity you have to solve 104 whole cube. So this is the evaluate. Okay dear students, so this is 104, I can write this as 100 plus 4 whole cube. Means you can write x is equals to 100 and y is equals to 4. Okay, if x is equals to 100 and y is equals to 4 means you have to substitute in this formula. Means you should write this as 100 cube plus y cube means 4 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4. So 100 into 4 into x plus y, that is 100 plus 4. So this is the concept. Okay, so just I substitute x and y in the given formula. X means 100 and y is equals to 4. Okay, so dear students, so just to solve this, so 100, so this exponent is having the 3, means you have to make, whenever we are doing the odd number, we are doing the square. If it is odd number means the answer will come in the form of zeros. If it is 3 means the answer will come as 60. So this you have to remember. Okay, so dear students, so it is 100 cube. 100 cube means you should write the 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 4 cube. So this is 64 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 into 100 is 12,200. Into bracket you can write this as 100 plus 4. Okay, similarly, now so you write this as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is how much? So this is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is 10 lakh. This is plus 64 plus, which first you multiply into bracket 1200. If I multiply again 100, again you are increasing 2 zeros plus 12 4s are 48, 4800. Okay, so this is your given. Now we have to do the addition. So go with your simple division. First write the greatest number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, next write this number. It is 1, 2. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Similarly, next write this one 4800. Next write your 64. It will be easy for the addition. So this is 4, this is 6, this is 8, this is 4, this is 2, this is 1, 1. Okay, so this will be 11,24,864. The answer you are getting this as 11,24,864. Okay, so this is the evaluate part. Okay, I hope so you have understood. First, see, it is 3 zeros, we have to increase the 6 zeros. 4 cube is 64, then 4 threes are 12, 12 into 100 is 1200, 1200 into 100 is, that we are getting 12, how much it is? 12, 1,20,000 plus 1200 into 4 is 44,800. After adding this all, you are getting as 11,24,864. I hope so you have understood the evaluate part. In this, these are the some of the example, and one more identity is there. I am going to solve in the next class. For time being, please note down this problem and solve for it.